Hello, everyone, and welcome to another XTIVIA Snacktime Snippet. Today, you're going to be hearing about our AI Readiness Playbook and thriving in the new AI world. We hope that what the team has pulled together is helpful for you. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're jumping right into a really critical topic, getting organizations ready to actually thrive in this new AI world. We've gone through a lot of great source material, and our mission here is to pull out those essential steps, maybe some surprising facts that shortcut the path to being truly AI ready.
Yeah, and what's really interesting looking through these sources is this central idea that, honestly, a lot of AI readiness, it lines up pretty directly with good data governance and, solid IT practices the company should ideally already be doing.
Ah, okay.
So it kind of removes some of the mystique, maybe. It's not always starting from absolute zero.
That's a really key point. So it's less about a total revolution, maybe more about refinement and extension. So for an organization listening, thinking, okay, where do we start? What do these sources absolutely insist on as the first step, the real foundation?
They are crystal clear. It all comes down to data quality and governance. It's that classic garbage in, garbage out problem, but amplified, really. AI models, you see, are incredibly sensitive to the data they're trained on. An inconsistency that might just be an annoyance in a report that could lead an AI to make completely wrong predictions.
Right.
So the absolute first thing is a really thorough AI readiness assessment.
And what does that actually involve? Is it more than just looking at the main databases? Are we talking like digging through old network drives?
We are, exactly. It's about taking inventory of all the data you have. Network drives, cloud storage, those old legacy systems, maybe tucked away somewhere. And even, figuring out what's in physical documents potentially, assessing the current state of governance and quality across all of that. Well, the sources often call that the biggest hurdle.
Okay, the biggest hurdle, but sounds like the most crucial one.
Definitely the most crucial first step. You build from there.
So let's say an organization tackles that, gets a real handle on its data landscape. What's the next practical move the sources recommend? Do they say go big or?
No, they strongly push for learning by doing. Start with pilot projects.
Okay.
The idea is start small, show some real business value quickly. That builds momentum, lets you learn as you go. The trick is finding those high value, feasible use cases, problems where the data is relatively clean already, or where even a small amount of data can give you useful insights, maybe automating a very specific task.
Right, get some quick wins. And then moving from those pilots to something more integrated, how do the sources talk about scaling that up? It must be different from just running a small test.
Oh, absolutely different. And that's where MLOps, machine learning operations, becomes so important.
MLOps, right.
Yeah, see, AI models aren't like regular software. They can sort of drift as the real world data changes around them. So MLOps gives you the processes and tools to actually deploy, monitor, and importantly, maintain those models effectively in a live environment. Think automated deployment, constant monitoring for performance. It's essential for reliability.
Got it. So that handles the tech scaling. What about the people side? As things grow, how do organizations build the teams to manage all this?
Yeah, the human element is huge. The sources really stress investing in talent and skills. It's kind of a two-part thing. One, upskilling your existing IT folks, bring them into the AI world. Two, strategically hire for those specialized roles you might lack, like data scientists or ML engineers. It's also about fostering an AI-ready culture. That means things like AI literacy programs, especially for leadership, so they understand the potential and the limitations. Setting realistic expectations. AI isn't a magic wand.
Not a silver bullet, yeah. And alongside culture and skills, there's the responsibility aspect. As AI gets more powerful, how do these sources suggest managing it ethically? What's in a responsible AI framework?
That's critical. It's about building in guardrails from the start. We're talking processes for bias detection and mitigation, making sure the AI is fair. It also means building in privacy by design, thinking about data protection up front, making the AI's decisions transparent and explainable so you're not dealing with a total black box. And crucially, defining who have human oversight. Where does the person step in? It's all about building trust and accountability right into the system.
Okay, so pulling it all together then. If you had to boil down the core lessons from these sources on getting AI ready, what would they be?
I'd say four main things. One, Data is everything. Understand it, clean it, govern it. That's non-negotiable. 2, start small, learn fast, pilot projects, scale based on real value, not hype. 3, position your IT team as enablers, helping drive this, not just gatekeepers. And 4, remember, this is an evolution. It's a continuous journey of learning and integrating, not some overnight switch.
And it's happening now. It's not just theory. You mentioned people are using things like generative AI, chatbots. The sources gave some concrete examples too, right?
Oh yeah, real world stuff like a warranty claims reviewer agent for a company making lawnmowers, automating that claims process.
Yeah.
Big time saver. And another one, a transformer failure prediction solution for a major energy company, using AI to predict when equipment needs maintenance before it fails. That's huge impact.
Wow, yeah, really tangible benefits. Okay, final thought then to leave our listeners with. As your organization starts down this AI path, or maybe it continues along it, what's the next unconventional data source hiding somewhere in your operations that AI might just be able to unlock? Something to mull over.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Please come back for another XTIVIA Snack Time Snippet. We'll see you soon.